Sawadee krab, sabadi tukon, nyojong, jimbrip suwa. On today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the very famous Thai chicken red curry. Growing up, Thai red curry Gaeng Phet is one of my favorites. There is so much flavors in this dish. Umami, salty, hearty, a lot of textures from the chicken and the bamboos, the bell peppers, and creamy from the coconut milk. It's very different from like Indian curry like tikka masala. Both are very delicious, but they taste very different. This is a dish that you really want to try. It's actually a really easy dish to make. That being said, let's dive into the recipe. What's up guys? Here's all the ingredients that you're gonna be needing today. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do me a big favor and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy, straight to the point recipes. Because I care about you guys, there's the recipe that's appearing on the screen. Go ahead and screenshot that for your convenience. Man, I'm so nice. Now let's get started. First, on medium heat, add oil to pan. Next, add minced shallots, followed by minced garlic. Boom. Now this is going to be harder to find. Add Kaffir lime leaves. You might have to go on a scavenger hunt at Asian supermarkets to find these, but it is a must and is so delicious. Next, you're gonna add some red curry paste. Now, if you can't find this, you can make it yourself. I can give you some couple reference on YouTube for great tutorials, and I will be making one myself soon. Next, you're gonna add your desired choice of protein. You can use seafood, pork, whatever you wanna use. Today, I'm using 2 cups of chicken breast and 2 cups of chicken thighs. Next, add chicken bouillon or chicken broth. Next, add in some fish sauce. This is gonna bring out all the flavors in this curry. Now on to my favorite part, let's add some rich and creamy coconut milk. Wow, look at that. Next, add in your palm sugar or sugar. We're gonna give this a stir and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high heat. Now, depending on how thick you want your red curry, you're gonna add water accordingly. So I'm gonna start with 1 cup. Next, add bamboo shoots. If you don't have this is totally optional. Next, add long green beans. If you don't have this as well, totally optional. Next, add Asian eggplants. If you don't have this, you can substitute it with regular eggplant. Next, we're gonna add in our bell peppers. I want it to be extra, so I use 4 different colors. In fact, if you don't like bell peppers, don't use it. Maybe substitute it for boiled potatoes and carrots. Now that our curry is evaporating, let's add some more water because we want to keep it juicy. Lastly, add in the star ingredient Thai basil, give it a stir, turn off the heat, pair it up with jasmine rice, and dinner is served, guys. Chicken Thai red curry. You guys, that tutorial was less than 3 minutes. Subscribe for more quick and easy recipes.